Yeah. Yeah, I'm on Fanime. No, wait, Crunchyroll Expo, because I actually got this. Oh, Spy X Family, liked up costumes though. It's like a, I forgot who that pink girl is. Oh, god damn. But it's a girl from Spy X Family. I love that one. My little sister told me it was legit. Oh, I got a little lucky. In case you don't know that, yeah, I just came back with the medical, just to show you that I'm not really crazy. Yeah, I already done that one. Ooh. Damn. Yeah, even they think how cosplayers are. I'm, oh yeah, it's real good though, man. Yeah, there's a bit of a, there's some weird ass requirement right here. Well, not really because it's a standard. Y'all better have some vaccine records ready. And I can hear music playing from the home mall. I probably can't do that over there, but I'm gonna have to make it too. Alright, I'm just gonna give you some ideas since, in case you don't see it in the website, you can pretty much see it in the website, bro. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And also a Skotsky cosplay. Oh,
You got any tickets?
tickets though. There's like vendors, man. I got. I'm gonna stop right here with the Vegeta cosplay and all. So there's some vendors over here, but I probably am gonna have to stop. Probably around this one right here. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna stop right here. Now, I'm gonna do the main ones once I'm done entering though.